Hello everybody. Now I'm going to show you how to copy the content from the DLD content pages. There's one really important step that might be a little different from copying other pages that you've done before, so that's why we're doing it specifically for these DLD pages. You can see I'm in my course. I've already copied the theme and the nav bar and the course layout. So if you're looking at your own course and it doesn't look like this with the these widgets with the contact info, announcements, calendar, and content browser, or it doesn't have this same nav bar, or you don't have the branded Mill Creek HS theme, then you need to go back to some of my previous videos and instructions and apply those settings now. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Course Admin and then click Import, Export, Copy Components. And now I'm going to click Search for Offering. Now, if you saw my previous video, I was previewing some of this content, so I know exactly what I'm looking for when I go in to copy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to search 2021 DLD. Need a space in between them, and hit Enter, and that's going to pull up all the 2021 DLD content pages. I looked specifically before at the 10th grade Language Arts page, so I'm going to click on that one and then click Add Selected. Now, I don't want to copy all components. I just want to copy select things from that page. Even if it's all the content, I don't want to copy the whole page. So I'm going to click Select Components, and I've tried this before, so it's just telling me or asking me if I want to copy it again. If you get this message, say yes. I need to scroll down now, and then I'm going to click on Content because that's where the things that I want to copy right now live. And then I'm going to click Select Individual Items to copy. And then I'm also going to click this External Learning Tool Links, because the DLD content pages specifically have links to external learning tools in both the Georgia Virtual and the GOC content that's been provided. All right. Now, if I wanted to bring over discussions or assignments, I could do that too. So those are all available things that I could copy over. But right now, I just want the content and these external learning tool links. Then I'm going to click Continue. And I know that specifically I previewed the Georgia Virtual content and I liked it. I looked specifically at this module right here, so I'm going to click on that module and then click Continue. And I will say before I go on, and sorry to backtrack, but if you wanted to copy all of this, you could. That's not going to be a problem at all. You could go ahead and copy everything, and then you could sift through it on your own page and delete it, move it around as needed. It's totally up to you. I'm just giving you an example of I have already previewed this and I know that I want this unit or this module. So I'm going to click Continue, and then I'm going to click Finish, and it should happen pretty quickly. Might take just a second. So once it's finished, I can click View Content, and that's going to take me to my content. It might not take me directly to that module, but I see it here. It says Georgia Virtual. It's got one space. That's what I tried to copy. Seems to have worked. And yes, it looks like everything worked just fine. So now I have this content on my page. I could have my students click through it, click through the lessons, look at everything. And so that's it. That's how you copy specific content items from those DLD content pages. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope you